Hello, I'm Dr. Abhishek Katha. I'm a consultant general and advanced laparoscopic surgeon working at Lux Hospitals, Gachibowli, Hyderabad. After any hernia surgery, we always advise the patients to take rest properly by not lifting heavy weights or straining in any forms. The straining, when we say, it all depends upon how the patient is not straining in his life by lifting heavy weights or by excess coughing or any other procedure. So in that way, we always advise the patients not to strain at least for 3 to 6 months after any hernia surgery so that the chances of recurrence comes down. The patients can do their regular gym activity or any physical activity after surgery at least 1 or 2 months post-surgery. This is because till the first 2 months, patient is advised to take proper rest because the chances of recurrence will come down, and by then the body tissues will also get adapted and the mesh takes place in proper condition. And so we always advise the patients not to strain by coughing or lifting heavy weights. We advise the patient not to lift heavy weights or by excess straining in the form of coughing or constipation. So all these things should be avoided post-surgery, and then do not strictly no lifting heavy weights.